Hello kids, welcome to Fairy Tale Drawing. Today we are going to draw shapes with amazing color. Let's start with the basic shapes. The circle, the triangle, the square, the rectangle, the heart, and the star. Let's grab the drawing kit and draw with me. First up, the circle. It's round and looks like a yummy pizza. Just draw a big, smooth curve, and you've got yourself a perfect circle. Triangle time. It's like a slice of pizza, but with 3 sides. Your turn. Now, let's draw a square. It's like a window or a picture frame. 4 straight lines, and voila! You've got a square. Show me your square. Now, we have the rectangle. It's like a door or a book. Can you do it? First up, the heart. It's a symbol of love. It's a heart. Easy, right? Can you draw one too? Lastly, draw a star. Stars twinkle in the night sky. It's a star. Try drawing your own star. It's time to add some color to your shapes. Circle color is red. Triangle color is orange. Square color is yellow. Rectangle color is green. Hearts can be blue color. Stars can be pink, like the ones in the night sky. subscribe to my channel for such more videos. See you in next video. Thank you for watching.